Good evening, students. Namo Namaha. Hope all of you have joined the lecture. Let's begin with the lecture. Yes, very good evening to all of you. Before continuing with the topic Vyanjananta Namani, let's discuss the syllabus for the coming test, Sunday test. So, in that paper, the syllabus will be provided to you on group, but I'm clarifying the topics given in the syllabus. First is ninth standard entire. You have first topic is Chitrapada Kosha, full Chitrapada Kosha. As this is semester 2, we should know all the names by now. So full Chitrapada Kosha will be there. First question. Pictures will be given. You have to write the answer. Please everyone listen it carefully. Okay. All of you have joined. Let's begin. So I was discussing about a coming paper. Your test will be there. Semester 2 में we have already entered and completed many lessons and one poem, I think one or two poem maybe, and we are now moving ahead with the grammar topics, tables, etc. But for the test coming on Sunday, you have first topic. Please write it down. You will get detailed structure on WhatsApp group, but still I would like to clarify some doubts. First is Chitrapada Kosha, full Chitrapada Kosha will be there, page 1 to 3. So any 5 pictures will be given and you have to write down the names for the pictures given in question paper. Okay, this will be the first question. Any doubt regarding Chitrapada Kosh? Please revise, do writing practice for all the words given in Chitrapada Kosh. Second question will be based on Sankhya. Again, we will revise only 1 to 50 Sankhya in this test. In next test, we will revise the remaining Sankhya's from 51 to 100. But for this test, we have only 1 to 50 Sankhya. Okay, दो questions हो गए. Third question, Samayah, which will be match the column. Revise it and just come. So it can be a 345, 355, 450 या फिर 920, 1025, कोई भी time हो सकता है. But with that, answers will be also provided by shuffling it. You have to just match it. Then please write down the numbers of chapters. कौन कौन से पार्ट यानी कि पोएम एंड लेसन्स आने वाले उसके नंबर्स प्लीज नोट डाउन करना. Numbers are 9, 10, 11 and 12. 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 9 to 12 you have to learn all the lessons and poems. Only one poem is there, Sukti Sudha, and lessons there are three lessons. So 2 paragraphs will be asked. 3 lessons, Nachiketa, Manasa Swachhata and Amarkosh, and 1 poem, Sukti Sudha, 9th poem. Any doubt till now? Yes, passage will be given. Even for comprehension, shlokas will be given. Don't worry. But writing the shlok or complete the shloka will be there. Huh? Complete the shlok question will be there surely for 4 marks. So please by heart the shlokas. Hence, I have just kept only one poem so that we can by heart the second new poem in the next test. So please by heart this one poem, 4 marks for completing the work verses. Okay, then move ahead. Let's move ahead to the grammar section. In grammar section, you have Namani and Sarvanamani that will be completed today. Today we have to practice for Namani and Sarvanamani. Which Namani and Sarvanamani? So this is Bhasha Sutram 3, page number 70, 71, 72. That's it. Page number 70, 71 and 72. No, Angelina, translation for the poem will not be there. Poem, question, answers and complete the verse, because 20 marks paper now, so we don't have weightage for translation of poem. Okay. For lessons also, just practice question answers, no translation for lessons too. Yeah, great question, Angelina. Yeah, so we are discussing about grammar. Grammar में सबसे पहले आपको page number 70, 71 and 72 tables अच्छे से by heart करने हैं. Complete the table will be there. Today we are going to learn all these tables. So भाषा सूत्रम 3 में से नामानी and सर्वनामानी. सर्वनाम सिर्फ एक ही है, that is सर्व सर्वनाम. 3 tables are there. So you have to practice all these tables from page number 70, 71, 72. And also in grammar, as usual, we should have questions based on Twanta, Lyabanta and Sandhis. Twanta, Lyabanta and Sandhis, as usual, questions will be there. Sandhi complete करना है आपको या फिर split करना है, ऐसे questions रहेंगे. Okay, that's it for grammar. And last section is your writing skills section. So we are now practicing for 9th semester 2 as well as 10th और 9th में आपको writing skills में सबसे important question आने वाला है उपपद विभक्ति. For that you have to practice page number 43 from your textbook, which is here, page number 43. उपपद विभक्ति, 10 धातुस are given. You have to frame one sentence. उसके लिए पहले से sentence हमने लिखे हैं. ये टॉपिक हमने बिफोर एग्जाम किया भी था, तो प्लीज वो सेंटेंस रिवाइज करके आना. ये 10 में से कोई भी 3 धातुस वहां पे आएंगे. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन एनी 2 फ्रॉम 3. That's it. This is how you have to practice for the paper. Hope now you have a overall idea about next test. So keep practicing for this week, and the paper will be easy, don't worry. But just be focused on the syllabus given. So within a few hours, in fact, you will be prepared for the exam. Okay, not much portion is given. Yeah, so last time I'm just repeating for those who have joined late. Chitrapada Kosha full will be there. Second question, Sankhya 1 to 50. Third question, Samayah, match the column. Fourth section will be for lessons. So lessons mein hai lesson number 10, 11 and 12. Nachiketa, Amarkosh and Manasah. Any 2 passages will be asked. No translation for the lessons. Then section, poetry section mein only one poetry is there. That is poetry 9. Sukti Sudha. From that, complete the verse and comprehension questions will be there. Section, next section is grammar section. उसमें भाषा सूत्रम 3, page number 70, 71, 72, नामानी and सर्वनामानी tables. Twanta Lyabanta questions and Sandhi. And last section, writing skills, उसमें उपपद विभक्ति from page number 43. Okay, so today I have told you the syllabus for the next paper. Ayan, you can frame your own sentences also, but the question bank for Upapad Vibhakti is this from page number 43. From these 10 verbs or 10 dhatus, any 3 dhatus will be asked in exam. Okay, so prepare for these 10 dhatus. If you want your to write down your own sentences, you can. And if not, then you can just learn these sentences given in the textbook. अरमान, परीक्षा में उपपद विभक्ति आने वाला है, इसीलिए मैंने अभी बताया है आपको, पेज नंबर 43। और ये उपपद विभक्ति का क्वेश्चन एवरी एग्जाम में आएगा, यूनिट टेस्ट, सेमेस्टर, 10th के भी सभी एग्जाम्स में आएगा, बिकॉज राइटिंग स्किल्स का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एंड कंपल्सरी क्वेश्चन है उपपद विभक्ति। टिल बोर्ड एग्जाम यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट एंड सेम क्वेश्चंस। ओके, उसमें कुछ कुछ एडिशंस होते जाएंगे, एक 3-4 वर्ड्स ऐड होंगे इन 10th, but otherwise all the questions will be same till board 10th exam. So start practicing from now itself. Okay, now let's come to the Bhasha Sutram 3, that is tables. We have done one table, that is Marut. Hope you have practiced it and by hearted it, the table of Marut. We will just revise it once. Marut takarantam pullingam nama, that means Marut is a word ending in ta. There are total 4 columns, ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam and vibhakti, and we have to recite Marut like this. Marut, marutau, marutah prathama, marutam, marutau, marutah dvitiya, maruta, marudbhyam, marudbhihi tritiya, marute, marudbhyam, marudbhyah chaturthi, marutah, marudbhyam, marudbhyah panchami, marutah, marutoho, marutam shashti, maruti, marutoho, marutsu saptami, he marutau, he marutah, sambodhanam. Okay, and I think the homework was given to write down the table of Mahibrut and Dinakrut. Mahibrut and Dinakrut, right? So can anybody read the homework, the table which you have written in your notebook, Mahibrut or Dinakrut? Please raise your hand if you are ready with the homework. Yes, Arman, which table you have written?
Miss Mahibrut.
Mahibrut, okay, great. Start reading.
महिभृत तकारांत पुल्लिंगम नाम महिभृत महिभृतौ महिभृतः प्रथमा महिभृतं महिभृतौ महिभृता द्वितीया महिभृतः द्वितीया महिभृता महिभृतभ्यां महिभृतभिः तृतीया महिभृते महिभृतभ्यां महिभृतभ्यः चतुर्थी महिभृतः महिभृतभ्यां महिभृतभ्यः पंचमी महिभृतः महिभृतौ महिभृतोः महिभृतां षष्ठी महिभृति महिभृतोः महिभृत्सु सप्तमी हे महिभृत हे महिभृद हे महिभृतौ हे महिभृतः संबोधनम्.
Wow, great pronunciations, very good. All the forms were correct.
Thank you.
Okay, anybody else would like to read homework? Yes, Josh, which table you have written?
Ma'am, I have written Dinakrut.
Very good,
Both
fantastic. Read the table.
Yes. Dinakrut Thakarantam Pullingam Namah. Dinakrut Dinakrutau Dinakrutah Prathama. Dinakrutam Dinakrutau Dinakrutah Dvitiya. Dinakruta Dinakrutabhyam Dinakrutabhi Trutiya. Dinakrute Dinakrutabhyam Dinakrutabhyah Chaturthi. Dinakrutah Dinakrutabhyam Dinakrutabyah Panchami. Dinakrutah Dinakrutoho Dinakrutam Shashti. Dinakruti Dinakrutoho Dinakrutasu Saptami. He Dinakruta the He Dinakrutau He Dinakrutah Sambodhanam.
Very nice, very nice. All the pronunciations are correct. Okay, so now let's move ahead to the next table. Okay, others now please participate for the next table. Second table is again a takarantam, but the gender difference is there. Strilingam nama sarit. Okay, so sarit takarantam strilingam nama. Now, good news for you is if you have already know the table of Marut, you no need to learn the table of Sarit because all the forms are almost same. Just the difference of gender is there and hence one table is given here. Sarit. What is the meaning of Sarit? Sarit is Samanartha Shabda, Samanartha word for Nadi, river. Yes, same table. No need to practice it, no need to revise it, no need to learn it because you have already by hearted the table of Marut. Okay, now I won't read this table because it is as simple as Marut. So who would like to read the table of Sarit with a perfect pronunciations? Yes, Harshit, would you just read the
Yes, ma'am.
table of Sarit?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, start.
Can I start?
Yes, yes.
सरित् सरितौ सरितः प्रथमा सरितं सरितौ सरितः द्वितीया सरिता सरिद्भ्यां सरिद्भिः तृतीया सरिते सरिद्भ्यां सरिद्भ्यः चतुर्थी सरितः सरिद्भ्यां सरिद्भ्यः पञ्चमी सरितः सरितोः सरितां षष्ठी सरिति सरितोः सरित्सु सप्तमी हे हे सरित् हे सरित् हे सरिद् हे सरितौ हे सरितः संबोधनम्.
Very good. Nicely read. Okay. So now, like Sarit, we have to practice table for Strilinga, feminine gender. So three words are given: Tadit, Yoshit, and Vidyut. Now, first of all, let's understand the meaning. Tadit means bijli, okay, lightning in the sky. Yoshit is word for Stri, Mahila, women, and again Vidyut is also word for lightning in the sky as well as electricity. Okay, so here in Sanskrit Vidyut or electricity is feminine word. So now quickly open your notebook, take any of these words, I want variety from all of you. So take Tadit or Yoshit or Vidyut and quickly write down the table in your notebook first, and then you have to read it just by referring Sarit. Write down the table of Tadit or Yoshit or Vidyut, any one table. Okay, take 5 minutes, do your exercise of table, and I will ask you the answer after 5 minutes. Okay, some of you are started and we will take 2 minutes more to let it Okay, now check my voice. Am I audible clearly? Okay. Okay, now check. Am I audible? Voice is coming like robot. Okay. Okay. Now it is clear. Yeah. Great, great. Okay. Now who is ready with the first table? Let's give chance to Ria from Devi Dayal.
Yes, teacher, I am ready with Yoshit.
Wow, great. Read the table.
Okay. योषितः प्रथमा, योषितं, योषितो, योषितः द्वितीया, योषिता, योषितभ्यां, योषितभिः तृतीया, योषिते, योषितभ्यां, योषितभ्यः चतुर्थी, योषितः, योषितभ्यां, योषितभ्यः पंचमी, योषितः, योषितोः, योषितां षष्ठी, योषिती, योषितोः, योषित्सु सप्तमी, हे योषितो, हे योषितः संबोधनम्.
Okay, fantastic. All the forms are correct. Keep it up, Ria. Okay. Yes, Tanvi. Which table you have written?
Miss, I have written the table of Tadit.
Great. Read the table.
Yes, Miss. Tadit takarantam strilingam nam. Tadit taditau taditah prathama. Taditam taditau taditah dvitiya. Tadita taditbhyam taditbhihi tritiya. Tadite taditbhyam taditbhyah chaturthi. तडितः तडिभ्यां तडिभ्यः पंचमी तडितः तडितोः तडितां षष्ठी तडिति तडितोः तडित्सु सप्तमी हे तडित हे तडित हे तडितौ हे तडितः संबोधनम्.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Nice, Tanvi. Yes, Arman. Next table, please.
Yes, miss. I have written Vidyut.
Yeah, start.
विद्युत विद्युतौ विद्युतः प्रथमा विद्युतं विद्युतौ विद्युतः द्वितीया विद्युता विद्युतभ्यां विद्युद्भिः तृतीया विद्युते विद्युद्भ्यां विद्युद्भ्यः चतुर्थी विद्युतः विद्युद्भ्यां विद्युद्भ्यः पंचमी विद्युतः विद्युतोः विद्युतां षष्ठी विद्युति विद्युतोः विद्युत्सु सप्तमी हे विद्युत हे विद्युतौ हे विद्युतः संबोधनम्.
Very nice. Very nice. All the forms are correct. Okay. Now we'll move over to the next table, Jagat. Just a minute. Okay. Now, after Srilingam, we have a table of Napunsakalingam. Again, it is Takarantam Napunsakalingam Nama Jagat. Now, here, as we have already seen in Deva Vanamala also, Deva table and Vana table is similar. Pulling and Napunsakaling from Tritiya Vibhakti till Saptami Vibhakti. But the Prathama, Dvitiya and Sambodhan forms are different from Pullingam into Napunsakalingam. Likewise, here also you have to just learn one new line, that is Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti, Prathama. and you have to just paste that line into Dvitiya Vibhakti also and into Sambodhanam Vibhakti also. Otherwise, the whole table is same as Marut. So see how the Sanskrit grammar is logical, and just you can say it is related with a basic table always. So Marut is a basic table of Takaranta, and all the Takaranta tables are completely based on Marut. Okay, so here also what you have to learn, you have to just take efforts for one row, and that row is Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. Write it in Prathama, in Dvitiya, and in Sambodhan also. Otherwise, all the forms are same as Marut. You can just check Jagata, Jagadbhyam, Jagadbihi, Maruta, Marutbhyam, Marutbihi, Marute, Marutbhyam, Marutbhyah Chaturthi. यहाँ पे Jagate, Jagadbhyam, Jagadbhyah Chaturthi. So same forms. Okay, words change हो रहे हैं, लिंग change हो रहे हैं, genders change हो रहे हैं, but the forms endings are almost similar, like a base table Marut. Yeah, interconnected. Very good. Okay, so we will just read this table once. Jagat takarantam napunsakalingam nama. Jagat jagati jaganti prathama. Jagat jagati, here Dvivachan mein you can observe jagati is dirgha, and then again jaganti is short, dvitiya. Jagata jagadbhyam jagadbhi tritiya. Jagate jagadbhyam jagadbhyah chaturthi. Jagatah jagadbhyam jagadbhyah panchami. Jagatah jagatoho jagatam shashti. Jagati jagatoho jagatsu saptami. He jagat, he jagati, he jaganti sambodhanam. Okay, now who would like to read the same table of Jagat? Yes, others please do participate. Arman, Harshit, Jash, every time these people are only participating. Yes, great. Yashvi, can you just read the same table?
Yes, ma'am. Jagat Jagati Jaganti Prathama. Jagat Jagati Jaganti Dvitiya. Jagata Jagadbhyam Jagadbhi Tritiya. Jagate Jagadbhyam Jagadbhyah Chaturthi. Jagatah Jagadbhyam Jagadbhyah Panchami. Jagatah Jagatoh Jagatam Shashti. Jagati Jagatoh Jagatsu Saptami. He Jagat, He Jagati, He Jaganti Sambodhanam.
Okay, very good. Perfect. Anybody else? One time more we have to read this table of Napunsakalingam because यहाँ पे तकारंत के words खत्म हो रहे हैं. Yes, Pradnya Gokhale. Okay, Ayan, read the table of Jagat.
Yes, miss. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti Prathama. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti Dvitiya. Jagata, Jagadbhyam, Jagadbhi Tritiya. Jagate, Jagadbhyam, Jagadbhyah Chaturthi. Jagatah, Jagadbhyam, Jagadbhyah Panchami. Jagatah, Jagatoho, Jagatam Shashti. Jagati, Jagatoho, Jagatsu Saptami. He Jagat, He Jagati, He Jaganti Sambodhanam.
Great, great, perfect. Okay, hope now the pronunciations are clear for Takaranta, all the tables. Now only last table you have to write it in your notebook again. Viyat. Viyat is a Napunsakalinga table. Only one word is given to you to practice. So Viyat का meaning होता है sky, आकाश. It is Napunsakalingam word like Jagat. Quickly write it down in your notebook. Okay, yes, okay, Harshit. Let everyone write the table. Viyat. Please just don't read it here by referring the table of Jagat. I know it is easy to read by referring the table of Jagat, but do writing practice also in your lecture itself. We have ample of time to complete our syllabus. So the purpose of the lecture is not completing the syllabus, it is to practice. Okay, so because of online mode, we are not actually meeting together. But I hope you all are very honest and practicing and writing in your notebook. That will be beneficial to you. Okay, so we okay, who would like to answer for the table of Vyat? Yes, Harshit, please read the table of Vyat.
Yes, ma'am. Vyat, Vyati, Vyanti Prathama, Vyat, Vyati, Vyanti Dvitiya, Vyata, Vyadyam, Vyadvihi Tritiya, Vyate, Vyadyam, Vyadvyah Chaturthi, Vyatah, Vyadvyam, Vyadvyah Panchami, Vyatah, Vyatoho, Vyatam Shashti, Vyati, Vyatoho, Vyatsu Saptami, He Vyat, He Vyati, He Vyanti, Sambodhanam. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, perfect. Okay, let's move on to the second part of the same topic, Vyanjananta Namani. In second part, we have tables ending in sa. So the title is Chandramas Sakarantam Pullingam Nama. Chandramas Sakarantam Pullingam Nama. Please carefully observe here the spelling. You can easily tell me the meaning of this word. Guess the meaning fast. Connect it with Marathi, Hindi. Yeah, correct. Moon, Chandra. Correct. Now, in Sanskrit, the original word in Sanskrit is Chandramas, and from this word, many different words for moon has been derived in to overall Indian languages. So, इसीलिए बहुत सारे words like Chanda or Chanda Mama, Chandoba in Marathi or Chandra, all these words are actually the derivation of the original word Chandramas. Now ये जो Chandramas word as you can observe ending में स आ रहा है, सकारांत word है, but half स is there. Okay, and इसके जो forms है are totally different from Marutha, because in these forms you can find out s at the end for some forms, and in some forms you will find m at the end. Okay, so we will just read the table first. Okay, slowly we will read and understand where you have to use sa at the end and where you have to add the pratyayas with ma. Somewhere you have to add pratyayas with sa and somewhere you have to add pratyayas with ma. So let's understand it. Please be attentive and read the table just by keeping unmute. So Chandramaha, Chandramasau, Chandramasah Prathama. Observe here, Chandramaha is the first form. Abhi now this Chandramaha actually, it is sounding like Devaha Bahuvachan, but students this time it is Ekavachanam. Okay, इसीलिए नचिकेताहा एकवचनम था, एक ही बॉय था नचिकेता. Vajashhravaha, only one person was there. It is a singular form. Okay, so Chandramaha, Chandramasau, Chandramasah. Chandramasam, Chandramasau, Chandramasah. Dvitiya. Chandramasa, Chandramobhyam, Chandramobhihi Tritiya. अगेन तृतीया में आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे चंद्रमसोभ्याम नहीं है, स यूज नहीं करना है, चंद्रमोभ्याम. वो जो भ्याम वाला जो प्रत्यय ऐड करना है वो म के बाद ऐड करना है, ना कि स के बाद. ओके, तो चंद्रमसा, चंद्रमोभ्याम, चंद्रमोभिः तृतीया. चंद्रमसे, चंद्रमोभ्याम, चंद्रमोभ्यः चतुर्थी. चंद्रमसः, चंद्रमोभ्याम, चंद्रमोभ्यः पंचमी. चंद्रमसः, चंद्रमसोः, चंद्रमसाम षष्ठी. चंद्रमसी, चंद्रमसोः, चंद्रमस्सु सप्तमी. हे चंद्रमः, हे चंद्रमसौ, हे चंद्रमसः संबोधनम. यहाँ पे एक हाईली इम्पोर्टेंट जो फॉर्म है उसको बॉक्स बना दो, स्टार मार्क कर दो, वेरी वेरी आईएमपी, दैट इज संबोधनम एकवचनम. प्रथमा एकवचनम इज चंद्रमाहा एंड संबोधनम एकवचनम इज चंद्रमह. So if you are using word चंद्रमह, then it is हे मून. आप मून को एड्रेस कर रहे हो. And if you are using the word चंद्रमाहा, then it is noun, singular noun form. Okay. Yes. Who would like to read the same table once again? Okay. Yes, Saujanya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Read the table of Chandramas.
Chandramaha Chandramasau Chandramasam Pratama. Chandramasam Chandramasau Chandramasah Dvitiya. Chandramasa Chandramobhyam Chandramobhihi Tritiya. Chandramase Chandramobhyam Chandramobhyah Chaturthi. Chandramasah Chandramobhyam Chandramobhyah Panchami. Chandramasah Chandramasoho Chandramasam Shashti. Chandramasi Chandramasoho Chandramahasu Saptami. हे चंद्रमः हे चंद्रमसो हे चंद्रमसः संबोधनम.
Wow, very good. Yes, anyone else? One more time we have to read the table, new table. Sharanya.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, Sharanya, please read.
चंद्रमाः चंद्रमसौ चंद्रमसः प्रथमा. चंद्रमसं चंद्रमसोः चंद्रमसः द्वितीया. चंद्रमसा चंद्रमोभ्यां चंद्रमोभिः तृतीया. चंद्रमसे चंद्रमोभ्यां चंद्रमोभ्यः चतुर्थी. सॉरी. चंद्रमसः चंद्रमोभ्यां चंद्रमोभ्यः पंचमी. चंद्रमसः चंद्रमसोः चंद्रमसां षष्ठी. चंद्रमसि चंद्रमसोः चंद्रमसु सप्तमी. हे चंद्रमः हे चंद्रमसौ हे चंद्रमसः संबोधनम.
Okay, very good, Sharanya. Keep practicing. Okay, now here you have observed that in Saptami Bahuvachanam you have two forms, Chandramah and Su. ऐसे लिखा हुआ है मह, after that visarga and su, and Chandramasu, 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 double sa. Now what is the difference between these two forms? So only a difference of writing, not at all a difference of pronunciation. वो मैंने आपको समझने के लिए चंद्रमहसु ऐसे रीड किया, ऐसे रीड नहीं करना है. वी हैव टू रीड चंद्रमस्सु, चंद्रमस्सु. वो जो विसर्ग है स जैसे ही, हाफ स जैसे ही उसको प्रोनाउंस किया जाता है. तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन में डिफरेंस नहीं है, राइटिंग स्टाइल में डिफरेंस है. यू कैन फॉलो एनी वन स्टाइल विच एवर यू कैन कंफर्टेबल विथ. ओके, जो भी आपको कंफर्टेबल लगता है, आपको याद आएगा एग्जाम में, बस वो स्टाइल आप फॉलो करना. दोनों भी फॉर्म्स एक ही है. ठीक है. Okay, now just by referring this Chandramas table, quickly write down the hero of our story, that is Nachiketa. So quickly write down the word Nachiketas. Nachiketas. Okay, by the way, this is the old print. I think you have new edition of the book, but जिनके पास यही print है same, तो यहाँ पे जो रजस word आया हुआ है उसको please यहाँ से cut कर दो, delete कर दो. Because rajas is not pullinga word, it is napunsakalinga. The particles, rajas, dust particles, so it is napunsakalinga words. उसको नपुंसकलिंगम के टेबल में ऐड कर देंगे हम लोग. यहाँ से उसको कट करो and start writing the table of Nachiketas. After that you have to write down Vajashravas. Okay, Nachiketas and Vajashravas. Everybody start writing any word. First you can take Nachiketas or Vajashravas. Both the tables you have to write. Okay. Yes. Anybody ready with the table Nachiketas? Yes, Arman. Please read the table of Nachiketas.
Yes, miss. Miss, I have also written the table of Veda. So,
Vedas. Okay. First, just read Nachiketas.
okay. नचिकेता नचिकेतसौ नचिकेतसौ नचिकेतसः प्रथमा नचिकेतसं नचिकेतसौ नचिकेतसः द्वितीया नचिकेतसा नचिकेतोभ्यां नचिकेतोभिः तृतीया नचिकेत नचिकेतसे नचिकेतोभ्यां नचिकेतोभ्यः चतुर्थी नचिकेतसः नचिकेतोभ्यां नचिकेतोभ्यः पंचमी नचिकेतसः नचिकेतसो नचिकेतसां षष्ठी नचिकेतसी नचिकेतसो नचिकेतसु सप्तमी हे नचिकेता हे नचिकेतौ हे नचिकेतः संबोधन.
ओके ओके. लास्ट संबोधन में हे नचिकेतसौ हे नचिकेतसः.
Okay, नचिकेतसः. Miss, can I also tell Veda?
Yes, please read for Vedas.
वेदमः वेदमसौ
एक मिनट. Don't use word ma now. वेदाः वेधसौ वेधसः.
वेदाः वेधसौ वेधसः प्रथमा वेधसं वेधसौ वेधसः द्वितीया वेधसा वेदोभ्यां वेदोभिः तृतीया वेधसे वेदोभ्यां वेदोभ्यः चतुर्थी वेदः वेदोभ्यां वेदोभ्यः पंचमी वेदः वेधसो वेधसां षष्ठी वेधसी वेधसो वेदसु सप्तमी हे वेदः हे वेदौ हे वेदः संबोधन.
Again in संबोधनम हे वेदः हे वेधसौ हे वेदसः. Even in पंचमी वेधसः वेदोभ्यां वेदोभ्यः. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Anybody for Vajashravas? Yes, Ayan.
Yes, miss.
Vajashravas.
सकारांत पुल्लिंगम नाम
Great.
वाजश्रवः वाजश्रवसौ वाजश्रवसः प्रथमा वाजश्रवसौ वाजश्रवसः द्वितीया वाजश्रवोभ्यां वाजश्रवोभिः तृतीया वाजश्रवसे वाजश्रवोभ्यां वाजश्रवोभ्यः चतुर्थी वाजश्रवसः वाजश्रवोभ्यां वाजश्रवोभ्यः पंचमी वाजश्रवसः वाजश्रवसोः वाजश्रवसां षष्ठी वाजश्रवसी वाजश्रवसोः वाजश्रवसु सप्तमी हे वाजश्रवः हे वाजश्रवसौ हे वाजश्रवसः संबोधनम्.
Good. You tried well and all the forms are correct. Great, Ayan. Okay, so this table is little bit difficult than Marutha. As you are writing or practicing it, you may understand it. So यहाँ पे आपको बहुत ध्यान देना है. सबको मैं बता रही हूँ कि और जो एंडिंग वाला वर्ड है वो कहाँ पे यूज करना है. जैसे कि थोड़ा थोड़ा मिस्टेक हो रहा है कि चंद्रमाहा में म में एंड हो रहा है, तो वो माहा वर्ड ऐड मत कर देना. Okay, it is not Vedhamaha or Vajashrava no, it is Vajashravaha. स के बाद एवरी यहाँ पे जो भी वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं उसमें स के बिफोर स the word the letter you have, that letter you have to use here in Prathama. Okay, so Durva Saha, Vedhaha, Vanaukaha, Divaukaha, Nachiketaha, Vajashravaha and sorry Raja यहाँ पे नहीं है. So all these are the forms for the words given. Okay, अभी इसमें से सबसे difficult word है Durvasas because दोनों भी स है. Let's see how you are balancing it. Okay, so take this word for homework. In the next lecture after 2 days, we have to solve this table Durvasas. So your homework will be write down the table Durvasas and please answer it in the next lecture. Till then, सिर्फ इतना ही काम नहीं है दुर्वासस लिखना. दुर्वासस नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको रीड करना ही है, बट होमवर्क ये भी है, ओरल प्रैक्टिस करना है बार बार. मरुत, सरित, जगत एंड चंद्रमस का. एंड जो लोग स्मार्ट है उनको पता है बेसिक टेबल पहले लर्न करना है, दैट इज मरुत. फिर सरित और जगत तो हम कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, और वैसे भी ओरल एग्जाम्स में नहीं आने वाला है, रिटन एग्जाम में आने वाला है. बट ओरल प्रैक्टिस क्यों करना है? ताकि हम अच्छे से लिख सके. ओके, so keep practicing the table of Marut and Chandramas. Learn it by heart it, and writing homework is only just a table of Durvasas. Okay, on this note we will stop here. Thank you so much everyone and Punar Milamaha.